Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Bernie with Raw Customs Designs. Today's video, got it all, basically all I did was wire brush it. Got all the wire brush, got all the loose paint, all the oil. My son pressure washed it for me. The other side is the same, got it all pretty much ready. Then I grabbed this stuff from one of the places I work. It's called Crud Cutter Rustex. So I'm hoping this helps, because what I want to do after this is prime it and then paint it with like a truck bed liner. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned for more. I did get the exhaust pieces, everything from behind the cats. I got the pipe to the muffler, and then the one that goes over the axle. I haven't gotten any kind of tip or anything because we don't care about that right now. I'm basically just, like I said, trying to get it to pass inspection. So there are the pipes I got. And then mufflers are still in the box. They're just factory mufflers, nothing special. So we'll get that stuff on hopefully next week. And then I'll go to the DMV, pay the taxes on it, get it registered, and hopefully be on the road. Actually, I'm waiting on a new windshield too, because as you can see, this one's cracked. So I got a buddy who works for Down East Glass here up in Calais, Maine, and he's going to take care of me on that. We'll get a new windshield. I was going to take it out of the Caprice, but chances are, trying to take a windshield out, there's a chance it could crack. So I don't want to even go that route, because this windshield is fine. So I'll just keep it as a spare for now. Does come down to me needing another one after this one, then I'll do it. But this one's going to come with a warranty and everything, so we're going to go that route first. But there's the Caprice, there's the wagon, and my truck, which needs a new motor. Sucks, but that'll be later. I ain't worried about that right now. Bell all up on jack stands so I can get under it. But like I said, stay tuned. Raw Customs Designs for more videos and updates. Next video will be putting that piece in and the exhaust, getting it all mounted and in. Alright, check me out. Facebook, Raw Customs Designs. Instagram, Raw Customs Designs. YouTube, obviously. And Twitter if you need to. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.